Hi friends, I am sharing a recipe for stuffed potatoes, which I delighted guests at my birthday party. Everyone ate it and praised it. In the washed and peeled potatoes, cut out the middle to make the so-called tunnel. Put in a saucepan with water and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, the potatoes are boiling, let's make the sauce. Put sour cream, melted butter, tomato paste, salt and spices in a separate container and mix everything until smooth. Now add a little water to make the sauce runny. While the potatoes are cooling, make the filling. To do this, fry the peeled and finely chopped onions in vegetable oil until golden brown. Add the onion to the minced meat. Salt and stir. Now fill the hole in the potatoes with minced meat. For convenience, I do this with the handle of a coffee spoon. Put the stuffed potatoes in a deep heat-resistant dish and pour over the sauce. The main thing is that the sauce covers the tops of the potatoes. We send it to an oven preheated to 180 degrees for 60 minutes. Sprinkle the potatoes with herbs and pour over the sauce. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you.